Hi, this is Coach Ken of the Superbike-Coach Corporation, and this is
Dean Lonskey, Superbike-Coach photographer, driver, gopher.
Yeah, he does a lot at Superbike-Coach, like we all do, and that's kind of this video is about, right?
Yeah, exactly. Kind of behind the scenes of getting everything that we do to get ready.
Yeah, because we actually are a team of 5, mostly, and then we actually do more than schooling. We do more than that. So, and is kind of the purpose of that video. We want to show you guys how much fun we're actually having. Fixing our own shit.
Yeah.
You know, like we're on the way now to Chris's shop. You might remember him from the last video. We did the tire. Does it change the tire changer from Rabakanda, which is awesome. And then you might remember Chris from there. So we're on our way to his shop to mainly fix the wheelie machine, which you can't see now. It's
behind that cover.
Yeah, trailering behind us this truck here, Dean's truck, and so we got to fix this one. What else do we ever want to do?
I brought Bruce Tard my 450 SMR, and I've got some updated stickers we're putting on that to welcome one of our newer sponsors.
Yeah, Supermoto is so fucking fun.
Oh, it's awesome.
So we all have Supermotos, but they're all drama queens. They need to be maintained and all that. So this is what's going on behind the scenes with Superbike-Coach. We're doing our own shit. We're fixing our own shit, making things better, making things look better, and all that, right, Dean?
Exactly.
Yeah, and this is one of those things we're doing today. See you later.
Hey, look what we got.
So here we are again, Superbike-Coach team, Chris, Dean,
Hi,
behind the camera, and me, Coach Ken. So we do the behind the scenes thing. Today we're running a shop day, another one, right, Chris?
Another one.
Yeah, and it's always fun with us doing stuff like that. We're fixing our own shit. Today we're taking care of Dean's Supermoto, getting some new decals on it. And what else were we doing?
Playing with the rear suspension a little bit, maybe soften it up just slightly.
Yeah, it doesn't match your weight anymore, huh?
Nah, I've had a few pizzas, so it's
So we don't do anything on your Supermoto today, right?
No, I think we're pretty well set.
All done, and then we mainly taking care of the wheelie machine. It broke in the last Wheelie Course. We still don't know what it is. We're guessing it's the starter. What do you think?
Starter or the sprag.
Yeah,
So
something
we'll
like
pull
that.
the side cover off and see.
Yeah, so we need to open it to see what needs to be ordered, what we need in parts, and then we have the mini bike, which is also part of the Wheelie Course. The gas tank broke. Is there anything else to fix on this one?
Straighten the handlebars back out.
Straighten the handlebars as usual. Yeah, so it's gonna be a fun day.
Not called Frankenstein for nothing.
Frankenstein, yeah. All right. Yeah, so this is the Superbike-Coach wheelie machine here. So what we need to do is making an oil change, and we're checking on the starter motor because that makes weird noises, hoping that's the problem. So Chris is getting the side cover off to see what the gearing looks like, and yeah, I hope that fixes it. We know what parts to swap. So
Oh, we found some teeth.
right there.
Time to go to the dentist.
Mm-hmm. Oh boy.
Just a few missing. They're not needed.
No.
Yep.
Makes it lighter, huh?
Yeah, makes it a lot lighter.
So we'll get that pulled apart, get a couple new gears, get it all back together.
Yeah.
No big deal.
Shouldn't be a big deal. What do you do, Dean?
Well, I'm taking the graphics off, putting some new ones on that will give it a slightly new look.
You have some tips for the people how to get the decals off best?
Use a heat gun.
Yeah, warm them up, right?
Oh yeah, warm them up, and it helps peel them off real nice and easy.
It's
and then,
it's kinda like really good decals here. They are thick and they're easy to put on. It's almost bubbleless.
Yeah, almost.
But you got to have that surface really, really clean before you do that.
Yep. Yeah.
And that's what you do now with alcohol, is that right?
Yeah. After we got the the graphics off. I'm doing a little bit of time and using some alcohol to kind of get all the residue.
Yeah.
Clean it all up.
And you got it nice and shiny here. It looks brand new. Actually.
Bruce looks naked.
Yeah.
You gotta love the crew I have. Coach is taking pride in cleaning Bruce Tard. Even though it's not his bike, he just has to do that.
It's the only reason we invite him over.
Exactly.
Doing the dirty work, right? Yep.
So actually, Bruce is all cleaned up for the most part, and we're gonna be getting ready to get him his new graphics on, huh, Coach?
Oh yeah. Let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that.
See what it looks like.
And it's coming along.
Yeah, right.
See, I suck at this. These guys are excellent at doing this.
All you need to bring is patience.
Patience? What's that? I'm a photographer.
I know, right?
It was a good day. We got Bruce finally got his new graphics, so there's what we're looking at. Slightly different, the same, but a little different, little things added.
Well, as long as Dean likes it.
Bruce is happy. We got the suspension set up a little bit even now, so that's a lot better.
We adjusted a little bit more to his weight, and then it should be a good start-out point. Once we go into the track, it's all about clickers from there. And then next time we gotta do your front fork, huh?
Yeah. The next big project is going to be that thing.
A little bit more pain. We found out that the starter motor is done, and it broke a couple of teeth. So these are all in the engine now. We got to remove all of that. That's going to be a pain, Chris.
Yep.
But we figure it out as we used to do. Exactly. So our next class, next Wheelie Course, is on October 23, I believe.
Yep.
It's totally booked up, so we gotta have this done by then. But I'm not worried about it because we fixing things. Yeah.
Always get things ready.
Oh yeah. Take care.
Bye, guys.